One of the coolest things about this machine is, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a funnel built in here that funnels all the drops down into some collection bins, and everything's angled. Maybe you can get a look at it there where it funnels it down. And then underneath it, there's these roll out trays. And let me pull this one out. And the cool thing is, hidden in here is a part stacker and organizer. So when you get done, it separates out all the, your internal drops and your trash from your finished products, and then just, from there go in the box and collect your money.